Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. hPage, a simple and effective website builder for beginners. Looking for a straightforward website builder? This review explores hPage, examining its features, usability, and overall value. hPage is designed for individuals, small businesses, and non-profits seeking a no-frills approach to creating a professional online presence quickly. Its user-friendly interface and affordability make it especially attractive to beginners who might be intimidated by coding or complex website building tools. hPage drag-and-drop editor simplifies website creation and customization. The platform offers a selection of mobile-responsive templates catering to various industries, from personal blogs and portfolios to small business websites. These templates are easily personalized, allowing users to add text, images, videos, and other elements with minimal effort. While hPage's design options may not be as extensive as some more advanced builders, its focus on simplicity makes it accessible to a wider range of users. Crucially for online visibility, hPage incorporates essential SEO tools. Users can optimize their site's metadata, keywords, and image alt tags directly within the editor, improving search engine rankings and attracting more visitors. For businesses, hPage offers features like contact forms, social media integration, and guest books, enhancing user engagement and communication. hPage pricing structure is another compelling advantage. A free plan allows users to explore the platform's capabilities, while competitively priced paid plans unlock additional features such as custom domains, increased storage, and advanced customization options. This affordability makes hPage an excellent choice for budget-conscious users. It's important to note that hPage does have some limitations. It lacks advanced features like built-in e-commerce functionality and extensive third-party integrations. Therefore, it may not be suitable for users requiring complex website functionalities. hPage is best suited for straightforward websites that prioritize simplicity and ease of use. In summary, hPage is a strong contender for beginners and small-scale website projects. Its simplicity, affordability, and user-friendly interface make it a valuable tool for individuals, small businesses, and non-profits looking to establish a professional online presence. For more information and to try hPage for yourself, check the links in the description below. This review should help you determine if hPage is the right website builder for your next project.